Yo, what's up, guys? Yes, I am excited. I'm gonna go back on this one before I get to what happened last week. 2011, this shoe comes out. This was actually the last time Nike and Jordan Brand did a midnight release on a shoe. The shoe came out at midnight. My brother-in-law worked. I got him a job at a shoe store. Shout out to that boy Tita. So this was like 2011, man. He was working at a shoe store here, and I was trying to finesse my way inside the mall to get this shoe, and he wasn't able to get me in. So I went around the back of the mall, and I mean, it was like perfect timing. I go in the back of the mall. There's a DJ coming up to the back entrance. She was setting up to do a launch party for Foot Action for this shoe. So I tell her, hey, you look, I'll give you a couple bucks, you know what I'm saying? You let me in with you. She said, well, look, give me less than what you are asking to give, but just help me bring this equipment in and I'll tell them you with me. Bet. I help her with the equipment, take the equipment up to the store and set up. The manager comes out, shakes both our hands because he's under the impression that I'm with her. So he asked her what size you want. She said blah, blah, blah. Now, at the time, I'm thinking I'm just, okay, I'm going to sneak in, get the stuff set up, and then I'm going to go to hit the other stores to get my shoe. So then the manager turned around and looked at me and said, okay, what size you want? And I paused for a second. I was like, oh, a 13. So he went to the back, got my pair. I go downstairs. By the time I go downstairs, right before the mall open, I meet up with my people. And I hit like a Foot Locker right as they open it. They letting people in at a time. So they think I was one of the group of people they let in at a time. So they let me right in, got a pair from there, went to Champs, got a pair from Champs. And then I went to Chic, got a pair from Chic. Then my people, he got his pairs. We leave out the mall with 10 pairs. Security tried to make us go out through the front. I'm like, if we go out through the front, we getting killed. She said that's not her problem. So we had to go out to the front, even though I'm parked on the whole other side of the mall. HPD sees us with all these bags. He stops us, put us in the back seat, took us around our vehicle, man. Fast forward last Thursday. I think this was last Thursday. I'm at work, typical day at the office. I get a notification, shout out to J23 app. If you don't have the J23 app, you playing with yourself, man. This app is clutch. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. I get the notification that there's an early drop for this shoe. I almost dropped my phone trying to hurry up. I get on there, go on the sneakers app, submit my size, and tell me you in line. I did Apple Pay, so it told me you in line. I'm nervous. Then I saw that Apple Pay notification go across from Nike, and I almost yelled at my desk, man. But let's get to it, man. Enough talking. Let's get to it. It's going down, man. Shout out to Nike, man. This was clutch. Because I was going to get the shoe regardless, but just to have it early was cool for me because I probably still won't wear them now. But it was, cool to be able to not have to worry about trying to do raffles and all that crap to get the shoe. I just got it already sitting at the house. You know what I'm saying? So, of course, if you guys not aware of this, no slide box for this shoe this year. There's no slide box. They did the classic box. So if you look on here, Air Jordan 11 Retro White Black Concord. Yes. Concord 11s. Yes. Yes. You have no idea. Like, this is the most iconic Jordan shoe ever. Love the smell of it, man. Yes. Honestly, I might go try to get another pair on December 8th just to put a pair on ice. I might just go and try to get another pair. But here we go. What I'm saying is, you can see got the 45 on the back. There's no 23, but they tied these laces hard. I'm gonna have to loosen these laces. They tied them hard around there, man. I don't like that now. Can't do that. I'm gonna have to loosen them up, let them breathe. But yes, Jordan 11 Concords. I'm speechless. I mean, what can you say? If you watching this video and you are a sneakerhead, really ask yourself, what can I say about this shoe that we already know? Like, I was telling a coworker, he doesn't really buy Jordans and shit like that. I was telling him, people wear this shoe to their wedding. The groomsmen will wear a tux and this shoe. I've seen it. I've even had guys call me and say, hey, can you find me this shoe to wear in my wedding? It's that serious. Like, I've seen people wear this shoe to prom. Like, this is all around classic, iconic shoe. It originally came out in 1995 in this box for $125. And at that time, I couldn't afford them. You know what? And another interesting story, I think, what was it, 2001? I think this came out again in 2001. And what was crazy about it back then, all the resale and hype beasts, it wasn't like that. So like, I was calling around to some stores and I found them at a Foot Action in First Colony Mall in my size. And this was like, the shoe dropped that Saturday. This was like that Thursday. They still had it sitting in there. So I went and picked up a pair. But man, like, this shoe, yeah, this is the shoe that had me smiling like a kid, man. This is the one. That's all I can say. There's nothing else I can say. I'm gonna loosen this up a little bit. But this is the one, man. This is the one. That's it. There's nothing else I can tell y'all. This is the shoe, the icon itself. Like, if you know, you know, like Pusha T said. That's it, man. I don't have really nothing else to say, man. If you like the shoe, like the review, go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe to the page. Okay, inside it has the Nike Air in it. Let me get in there. I'm gonna take the shoe tree out. Still has a purple shoe tree on the inside. If you guys can see that, it says Nike Air on the inside. Classic. It's classic. Classic. Let me know what you guys think in the description, man. That's it. That's nothing else I really have to say, man. Till next release, y'all be cool.